Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Namrata Sugandhi, consultant gynecologist and obstetrician working with Sagar Chandrama Hospital. Here I am again with another video for all you guys there. Today I'm going to talk about adolescence. Adolescence is the transition phase of growth and development from childhood to adulthood. It's a very tender age, especially for girls. They are going through a lot. They have to cope up with many things like the physical changes in them, the emotional changes, and then hits the menarche. Physically, they are having growth of the breasts, growth of hair in the armpit, in their private part, and then the first periods, that is menarche. Now, I want you to understand what is normal so that you understand what is abnormal. Having periods regularly once in 3 weeks to 5 weeks. Okay, 21 days to 35 days is absolutely normal. Only thing is it has to be regular. Any amount of bleeding between 30 to 80 ml is normal. Any bleeding that has for 2 days up to 8 days is normal. Any pain, abdominal cramping, backache, leg cramps on the first and second day of your periods is normal. So anything apart from this is abnormal, and then you now know that you need to see a gynecologist for your problems. This is a special shout out for all the mothers out there. Get your daughters to talk to an expert. When your daughter comes to me, a gynecologist, I would teach her what is menses, how to have menstrual hygiene, how to cope up with the changes that she's dealing with. Many a times they have a lot of questions whether the breast size is normal, whether they are irregular in growth, if the periods are fine, if this is normal to have so. Yes, all these things you can discuss with me. Yes, mother. This is also the time period where you can get your daughters vaccinated. Cervical cancer vaccination is given between the age of 9 to 14 years. So this is the best age to discuss about your menstrual issues, coping up with the physical and emotional changes that's happening in your daughters, and also give her cervical cancer vaccination, a lifetime gift to protect her from cervical cancer. Thank you so much.